This has been in the works for a long time. So me, myself, I'm really excited because all of her classes, baking and pastry, culinary 1 and 2, we all collaborated together for a while because we really wanted this to happen.
The Gator Cafe, our focus is just on quick things that the teachers can kind of grab during lunch, things that don't take long to prepare. So we're going to be serving different types of salads, wings. We'll have specialty days where we'll do maybe fried fish, Taco Tuesdays. The students are working on preparing things from scratch, so that's our focus. Like our ranch today was prepared by the students. They're playing around with different sauces. They actually are preparing for competition, so these are skills that they're practicing in the classroom.
I've learned different types of knives, different cut styles. It's a lot. I know how to measure yield now, and yield is when how much servings it is for someone else. I've learned, this class has actually helped me benefit my communication skills, teamwork skills. It's awesome, that we all can go in there and collaborate with one another and all get along and, just generate new ideas as to benefit the Gator Cafe.